is up, guys? Welcome back. So today we're just taking a cruise on the WRX. It's a beautiful day and I got the Pro Tune and I'm kind of excited. I didn't get as much power as I guess a lot of people would think because it's just a stage 1 Pro Tune. I did not remove all of the cats, I just removed the secondary cats. So I still have the stock J pipe in the exhaust, but everything else is a full 3-inch back, or whatever, 2.5, I don't even know anymore. But it's a full, you know, essentially almost a turbo back REMARK exhaust. But I thought I'd take you for a cruise, just show the dyno. You can see it right here. It's a nice linear flow in my opinion. I don't mind the power graph, however you guys want to put it. I know you guys are sticklers, or some of you guys are, and we can go over it or whatever. I don't know too much about it, but I like how the car feels, and I thought I'd just make a video, you know, just driving it and see how it performs and have some fun, go up in the mountains a little bit and just drive around. I got the GoPro up in there. We got the new 7, so let's see how this does. I heard some really good reviews about it. Haven't had one of these in a while, so it'll be kind of cool. But again, thanks for watching. Let's cruise the WRX and have some fun. The interior's starting to come together a little bit. I like the dash pod, it adds a nice little touch to it. Need to get me a nice little knobby. Got the window visors in there today. I know it's windy as shit. We'll sit inside the car. But I like the tune, it's actually really nice. Tuning Technologies and Colton did it. They had it for a full day. I forgot that the actual splitter. What's funny is if you've never dynoed this, oh man, I got it in here, boom. So it's funny, if you've never dynoed a Subaru before and you have a splitter, you gotta remember they gotta put straps in the rear because it's all-wheel drive. So if you ever get a dyno, just heads up, take your damn splitter off so they don't charge you to put it off and on. I luckily was able to do it really quick, so it's not a big deal, but just as a heads up. But just over the dyno and how it feels, and the tune, I'm sorry, how it feels and stuff, I actually really like it. Again, I told the tuner I'm not looking for max power. I'm actually looking for more reliability and fun for canyon driving. I don't drag race the WRX. I actually like going in mountains and going up the boys with the Type R and stuff like that also. Go have fun with them. So I figure let's try to give it a tune that actually has more linear power than just kind of peak performance. And that's kind of what I got. And you can see the chart on it. Again, it's not super massive power, but it's kind of across the board and it does really good. As far as the upgrades, there's not too much done to this, so that's why there's not massive horsepower gains. Again, just the exhaust, the intercooler, which isn't going to give any type of horsepower gains, just more reliability on the temperatures. Pretty much like the Perrin inlet, but it's not even a full intake. It's just that little tube right before the turbo. Let's see, K&N Air Filter. And that's about it, honestly, for performance mods. So it's essentially a stock car with now a stage 1 Pro Tune and a full exhaust. I guess that's the simplest way to put it for the amount of horsepower that's putting out. I think it's okay. I don't know, what do you guys think? I've seen other guys that have maybe closer to maybe the 300, but I don't know what they have. Maybe it's stage 2, full cat delete, all that type of stuff. And again, I don't know if the tune is taking off reliability in the end as far as if you max it out all the time. This feels really nice. When I was gunning it, it felt really smooth. It didn't hiccup whatsoever, even from shift to shift. You can kind of feel the turbo not lag in too much. It definitely, you can feel it calm down and then spike back up, but it's more progressively. It's not just whoa and then spike up really hard. So you can take it as it is. I hope that helps you guys as far as who is looking just for something of the same, how do you want to say, upgrades that I have on my car. Because again, I was looking for more reliability and just to have fun with it. Turn the damn thing on every day, or when you do want to start it, it starts and it runs like it should. I don't have to worry about this shit breaking down or anything. I love this car. But let's go ahead and go back down the mountain. I'm getting hungry. I just wanted to bring this today with you, bring you with me today, guys, in the mountain, just having a good day off. It's a beautiful day, like I said, up in here. But besides that, let's get back down there. I was gonna feed my tummy.